What are some of the factors that you're seeing as far as that shift? What's lending to that shift in embracing technology these days?
Yeah, well, I think it's not just store owners, not just laundry owners that can be a little adverse to change. I think retail customers can be the way they want to do business is probably something
Mhm.
that has really driven store owners to be more open to change. The way that we interact with payment, just in general as consumers, just take laundry out of the equation, has
Mhm.
evolved significantly. Again, being in the business for 25 years, 25 years ago, we were preaching the same things that we are preaching today, and it only seems like it's taken that long for people to really become very open to the idea of something other than a quarter or alternative or supplement the quarter in some way. I think that it's customer driven. It's the retail customer is looking for they're looking for very specific conveniences. And, we can go back to, could you imagine going to a gas station that didn't accept a card? And there were times when you did pay cash for gas. I'm old enough to remember some of those. Yeah, today, I don't think a gas station could survive. I don't
Mhm.
think we're quite there in the laundromat business, but it
Mhm.
certainly, may become the case at some point where you need to offer some type of alternative payment.
Mhm.
I was just at a customer site recently who just installed a system, and their customers told them that this was the last business that they interacted with that required cash, and they were really kind of brought to that item. So that's the customer, is
Mhm.
basically telling us that. And
Mhm.
certainly there's been a lot more options available
Mhm.
in this
Mhm.
space. There were fewer back 25 years ago than there are
Mhm.
today, and so that has provided more competition, probably better competitive pricing, and really brought things into kind of the sphere where more people are open to the idea, and maybe it feels more. They're not the first. Like I said, we have 3,000 locations. People are not the first anymore. They're basically just deciding which direction they want to go.
Right, right.